Hello friends, welcome to my channel which is Swarit Pati. Today we are going to see how to do polythene versus eco-friendly. So let us see what is polythene. Polyethylene or polythene is the most common plastic used today. It is a linear man-made addition homopolymer primarily used for packaging. As of 2017, over 100 million tons of polyethylene resins are being produced annually, accounting for 34% of total plastic market. So let us see the uses of polythene. Polythene is used in many ways. Some of them are given below. Plastic bags, dustbin liners, hoses, tubes, insulation, protective packaging, plastic bottles, and kids' play mats. So let us see the disadvantages of polythene. The polymer, like many other plastics, takes a long time to break down and such can end up in landfill sites for decades, which we are running out of space. Another way to dispose of polyethylene is incineration, which can result in harmful gas emissions. Polyethylene is mainly extracted from petroleum or natural gas, of which there is a finite amount. Producing polyethylene takes a large amount of energy and also leads to high emissions of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas contributing to global warming and climate change. Though it is technically possible to recycle the majority of plastic polymers, there are many different types to sort through, which is expensive and complex. So, what can we do to save our environment? Do we have any substitute of polythene? Yes! And that is eco-friendly. What is eco-friendly? Environment friendly processes or environmental friendly processes, also referred as eco-friendly, nature friendly and green, are sustainable and marketing terms referring to goods and services. Laws, guidelines and policies that claim reduced, minimal or no harm upon ecosystems or the environment. Advantages of eco-friendly. Eco-friendly products such as solar panels generate energy from the sun. They serve as an alternative to fossil fuels in producing electricity. They are non-renewable, which means they do not consume materials like coal, gas or oil. Eco-friendly buildings are low maintenance because of reduced operation. For instance, an eco-friendly facility promotes natural lighting by using huge windows. It results in the conservation of energy along with the decrease in artificial lighting usage. Green allow for conservation of water and energy. Construction may be more expensive, but in long run, it is a way of investing for a reliable and decreased operation and maintenance cost. Eco-friendly products improve the indoor environment. Nowadays, it is becoming an architectural trend to go for designs which allow for natural lighting, ventilation, and air quality. These factors contribute to bright and cozy ambience. Green buildings promotes water conservation and ascertains that the future generations would still alive with abundant and clean waters. It also permits alternative water sources like rainwater and encourages water recycling. Eco-friendly products and green buildings are safe to the health as the materials used are free of harmful chemicals and components. People are at peace knowing they don't expose themselves to dangerous elements caused by pollution. Eco-friendly products and green buildings do not use plastic byproducts that release toxic materials. Green buildings provide a pleasant environment which is beneficial to both physical and mental health. They diminish stress and enhance the quality of life. By installing huge windows, we invite healthy and fresh air inside, and the natural lighting provides clear and bright ambience. Eco-friendly products and green buildings ensure efficiency by using non-harmful materials without sacrificing quality. They also regard processes that produce little waste to avoid pollution. Experts in eco-friendly and green buildings use long-lasting and recyclable materials. Eco-friendly products and green buildings contribute to save the environment by not using materials that are harmful. Their prediction and construction are also by the aim of prevention pollution. They avoid the use of fossil energy. They also help in diminishing the levels of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, hence prevention of climate change. So, I request everyone who is seeing my video to use eco-friendly items than plastic, polythene or polyethylene items, because eco-friendly items are not harmful to the environment and plastic or polyethylene items are harmful to the environment. So if you like my video, please like it, share it, comment and subscribe it, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.